Hi all. As part of our Kubernetes interview clearance troubleshooting challenge, day 6, today we'll try to look at if the node is not ready. The application pods will deploy it on the node worker nodes. If the worker node is not ready, how can we address those kind of issues? First, we can check the node status, kubectl get nodes, and we can also see that describe that particular node name to see all the events. Based on the events, we can also understand what exactly the issue is. Is there any memory issue, disk issue, any particular process issue? You can try to look at. If you don't identify the issue, you can connect to that particular node and try to check whether the kubelet service is running or not. Every worker node has a kubelet, which is responsible to manage the pods and nodes. Check whether the kubelet is working or not. If not working, the service kubelet is not running, you can try to look at journalctl, the kubelet. You can identify the issue, what exactly it is. You can try to restart that particular service, kubelet service, and also look at the logs of the kubelet if something goes wrong, if it is not starting. Also try to check what exactly other issues like disk issue, memory, any particular process issues. Based on that, okay, we can try to troubleshoot. If still that node is down, you can also check what is the container we are using, and you can try to check the status of the container, like container runtime, systemctl status, containerd, or if you are using a Docker as their container runtime, you can see systemctl status Docker. So we can try to start those services and you can try to resolve those issues. If you see the workflow, first you check the kubelet is running or not on the node. Check the status of the node first, check the events, and check that kubelet service is running or not. If it is running, then you can see the different issues on the node like memory, CPU, disk issues. If you find anything related to that, like you can try to free up the memory, clean up the disk space, check the processes, any zombie process, you can kill that, restart the kubelet and make sure that that gets resolved. If there is an issue with other than this system issues, you can also check that kubelet errors by running the command. Like you can try to check that, okay, kubectl journalctl-u that kubelet. You can see that status of that particular kubelet service and logs, and you can try to troubleshoot that. You can try to check the kubelet logs and try to fix those errors. And also you can try to look at if everything is working fine, but still you find node is not available, you can try to check whether network CNI plugin issues, node IP is assigned or not. Check the network configuration issues, fix the Docker related issues. If it is not running, you can start the Docker and try to check the logs of the Docker and restart that particular Docker container. The common issues would be kubelet is not running, disk maybe issue, memory issues, network issues, Docker runtime issues, or else high load, particular process issues. Try to address those. Common useful commands are available here. You can try to look at them. So you can also check that particular different conditions based on if you have a monitoring mechanism like Grafana, CloudWatch, whatever. You can try to check the different metrics of your node. Based on that, you can take an action. Just comment K8s on this, so I can send you all the useful commands to troubleshoot node not ready state step by step. Thank you all.